Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Falfero. This is one of the best routers I've been dreaming to have, really. And today we're going to check how worthy it is. If it is really so cool, I will recommend you to buy it. If it has features that are not worthy, then I won't recommend to buy it. So let's open it and then see. It is new. I bought it today. It has just reached and I wanted to share it with you. So let's check inside and then see what is inside altogether. So enjoy. I think how to open. Okay. So this is for power adapter. Hope you can see. Adapter for charging. Okay, first check here. This is the guide for installing it. So you just need to read from here as you install. It is this one. So for connection, one connection, so you can connect it, you connect it, so let's check inside here. Oh, so sorry. So here it is, the machine. Okay, you can extend this, you can put it here. Oh, they're still inside things here. So these are antennas. So this router has 6 antennas. So these 4 are non-removable. Yeah, these are non-removable. Hope you can see. And for this one, they're removable. You can fix it there. You can fix it. Oh, yes. So 6, they're already here. So this router is called DBIT, and for anyone who is looking for it, it is called DBIT 4G Wi-Fi Router. So it has features here. These are lights that indicates, each one has something to indicate. There is one for power, there is one that shows that there is connection, there is that one that the connection is secured, that the Wi-Fi is totally connected, the data is there and it is working very perfectly. This is 1, this is LAN 1 and this is LAN 2. So with this cable, you use it to connect in 1 and you connect it to your computer. That is the end. You connect this to the computer so that you access the internet. Oh, so sorry. So that's the use of that. And this power cable, this is where you connect it there, and you connect it in the socket where you receive the power so that the router gets on. What I like about this router a lot, number 1, it has a SIM card. I'll show you. This is where you put a SIM card. This is a SIM card tray where you will insert the SIM card. Well, I had a SIM card around me, but I don't have data. I'm so sorry, currently I don't have data, so I'm not going to test it, but it is worthy. I've ever used it and I know it is working very perfectly. So what you do, this is a full SIM card. Hope you can see. It's a full one. So all you do is to insert. This is the first good thing about this router, because you don't need any other modem. You can use this even though you're having your phone. You just need to buy this, you insert in a SIM card with data, and then you connect to Wi-Fi. Number two, this Wi-Fi, apart from having a SIM card itself, SIM card support. Number two, it supports VPN. For those who have untrusted connections, and VPN will work for you. And once you set it, once you connect it, and then you set it in your laptop, your phone, and then a smart TV, it can work very well. And then you need to use VPN. You can connect it, you can insert it there, you can set it there, and you use it. You don't need anything else. That is a VPN, a SIM card, a VPN. And number three, it can be used by 30 devices at a time. You can add 30 devices at a time. You can add 30 computers at a time. You can add 30 mobile phones at a time. So that's also very cool. I think the number is quite good if you compare to some small ones at a time. Some routers uses 3, 4, 5, and then there are those ones who uses 1. You understand? You cannot add more people. But for this one, even though you put it at work, it can help you, whether cafe and any other place. Even though you put it at home and then you share that internet with neighbors, it can work. They can pay you. You can use it for financial goods. You understand? For that, it is very, very friendly. It can make you money. It can make you money. This is a very, very good router. So I'm going to connect it for a while. I'm not going to connect it using a line, because my line has no data currently. It has no data, but I'll show you that it is working. It is working. And by the way, the weighing, its weight is a bit good. It's good. Okay, it's good, not a bit good. It's good, because you feel like you're holding something original. You're holding something that is not fake. You know, fake things are weighing less. But you find something, you carry something, and then it is weighing less. But for this one, you feel like the weight is really someone concentrated in it, as the manufacturer was manufacturing it. So it is very, very cool. Okay, let us first cross check how it is working, whether it can go on or off, so we get to know that. I want us to check very well. So wow, and even this is very long. It is quite long. Hope you can see. So it is totally quite long. So let's check right here. They fix it here. Oh, so sorry. Maybe this one is not working very quietly. So sorry, I'm just lost. So if you choose this router, you've chosen something that is cool, that will work for you. You've chosen something that will work for you. So I've just connected it in my extensioner, and I want to connect it to the router direct. Oh, what I had forgotten is it has a reset button. Currently here it is inside. You may not see it very easily, but this is a reset button. You can get something that is smooth and then you reset it every time. If you can see there, that's a reset button. It is there and reset. So we have power, we have reset, we have LAN 2, we have LAN 1, and then we have 1. So, but mainly this one is very important, this one is very important, and then the SIM card is very, very important. So hope you can see this is power on, it shows that it's on. So the Wi-Fi, it is connecting, although it is showing that the internet cannot connect because there is no data. So even though you put here, you put the line inside, when it has not connected to the internet, it will still blink. And once you put that on it and then it connects, this will stop blinking. It will light up blue like this one, and the third one will start blinking, showing that it is currently working. So once you connect one, this will give you light. Once you connect LAN 1, this will give you light, and once you connect LAN 2, this will give you light. So what you connect is what will show here. They're all lights, as you're seeing this one and this one. So this one is lighting randomly because it has connected but no internet connection. It has connected, it shows that the Wi-Fi exists, but the data on the line is not there. You understand? So I think, but it is very, very cool to read the manual for setup if you want quick setup. So I'll give you some little advice if you have one that is confusing, or if you want to buy one of these. Once you buy it, you have that on your line. At a time some things may disturb you. We have some hope here. So everything, the Wi-Fi name is here. The Wi-Fi name is here, and this is the password. So if you want to connect it, if you want to set it very well, you get this IP, what they call the IP. I will show you. Very cool. There is what they call the IP. This one, it is 192.168, then 100, then 1. This is what you type in your Google search, and then it will bring you the logins and the password. So the password you should enter is this one that comes on your router. This one, mine is here, that I should enter. So after all entering this, you can change it. You can change it because these are all default. So you can change the name, you can change the route, you can change the password, and you set it very well. But this manual, you stand on it. With the manual, stand on it. It will help you in everything you want to set. Everything about the router is here. How to use it, how to reset it, how to change everything, how to add VPN, how to configure VPN on it. So I think this is very good, and it doesn't consume a lot of electricity. It has a low power consumption. I think it's about it's less than 12 watts, And what I had forgotten, seriously, this router can extend to 100 meters. Extend to 100 meters. So you can imagine how you can share the internet with people around you. If they are within 100 meters, everyone can get internet. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. I think you should subscribe for more new videos and your support. Thank you very much. I have this, by the way. If you're in Uganda, I can get you this. You can call you can check the number in the description and call me, or you send me an email. You will also find it in the description. So thank you very much for watching my channel. Big up. You have a safe time.